Hello, this is a quick video clip that hopefully will help you to understand how to get the area in this shaded portion of the circle. So if you recall today from class, there were three components to finding the shaded area of a shape. Step one was to start and find the area of the entire shape. Alright, step two. Step two is to try and find the area of the not shaded or unshaded shape, and usually that's the smaller shape. And in this case, they are both circles. So area of smaller. All right. Once you do that, if you recall, the final step is to subtract the smaller shape from the larger shape. Okay, and if you take the smaller from the larger, you will be left in this example with the shaded area. Alright, so let me just write down a couple of notes here. So find the area of the big shape. If that's happening, when we say the big shape, this is what we're talking about. We are talking about this larger circle. And if you look carefully, you can see that the larger circle has a radius of 14 feet. Alright, so let me get rid of this, and we will first start by finding the area of the larger. That's going to be step one. Alright, so why don't you pause this video and attempt to get the area of the larger shape, and we can see right here it has a radius of 14 feet. So why don't you pause this and get the area of the large circle first. Okay, so here we are, we're back, and hopefully you came up with this. You have a radius of 14, so you did 14 times 14 times 3.14. Okay, and that should give you 615.4. feet squared. Alright, that will be the first step. Alright, step two. Remember, we had to find the area of the smaller circle. Alright, so to find the area of the smaller circle, I'm just going to write that 615 down here, 0.44 feet squared. Alright, smaller circle, hopefully you can see that the radius is 10 feet. Alright, and why don't you pause this right now and try to find the area of the smaller circle. Here we go. So why don't you pause the video right now. Okay, so here we are, we're back, and we are getting the area of the smaller circle, and you should have come up with 10 feet, this radius, 10 times 3.14, which hopefully gave you 314 feet squared. Alright, that's the second bit of information we needed. So I'm going to bring that over to the side here. Alright, this first right here is the big circle, and then this 314 is the small circle. Sorry about that. That's the small circle. And if you remember, step three is to subtract the small from the big. All right, so we're down to the final step, step 3. So here we go. We're going to subtract the small from the big. The big circle was 615.44. And we are going to subtract 314. And you should end up with 301.44 feet squared. Alright, and that's it. That is the answer to this problem, and we will practice more of these tomorrow. Hope that makes some sense. Bye.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.